So if you are new to baking and you want a great white cake recipe and you want a really good buttercream icing recipe that holds up to decorations pretty well, then I can help you with that. I have a new mini course. It's super easy to access. It's virtual, so you can watch it anytime you want. There's full recipes, full video tutorials for both the classic white cake and the decorator's buttercream, and another like fluffier version of a buttercream. And then there's even a few videos to help you get the icing on the cake and get it nice and smooth and really impress your guest. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, please click on the link in my bio and check out this little preview. Today we are going to be making what I call my decorator's buttercream. It is amazing. My clients love it. My customers' clients just come back to me time and time again for this icing. I'm not gonna lie, it's really sweet and delicious. And if you love sugar, this is the recipe for you. But we're gonna start with 4 sticks of unsalted butter, and these are really soft and they have set out overnight. Now add some more powdered sugar. Let's do another 2 cups. And these are heaping cups. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like now. And I'm actually pushing pretty hard to get this on the spatula, so I think I'm definitely gonna add some water. So it's nice and thick. It does, I mean, look at that. It won't come off the spatula. That's how thick it is. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. Let me know what questions you have.